Well, we're getting rid of the side mirrors and we're upgrading to tow mirrors. Even though we have cameras on the side of the RV, the monitor is way too small to try to change lanes on the interstate. So I went ahead and ordered some tow mirrors. Let me show you what I got. So this is it. This is the basic tow mirrors. This will go up when I'm towing. And what I mean by basic, it doesn't have the blinker lights on the side. It doesn't have the floodlight underneath. And the reason why I went with this one is because when you have the blinker and the floodlight, you have to go to the dealership and get it programmed into your truck. And I'm okay with just the basic. I don't have the extra money to get the blinker ones with the floodlights and have it programmed in my truck. So let's get started in installing them. All right, first thing you're gonna have to do is take these fasteners off. There's two on the bottom and two on the sides. Then there's a screw in here that had this cover on it. All you do is you take a flathead screwdriver, pop it off, and then you can get to it. And then this, you lift up, you're gonna disconnect that. Just pull that tab in, and then you can pull it out. And then these fasteners, they have a little tab. You just pull them out with the flathead screwdriver, and then pull this out. And then that plastic one that goes in will push these out, and that's how it fastens the door panel to the door. And then you're going to want to take this panel off. Take your plastic removable tools, pop it off, and then you should be able to just pop it off like that. Now you can get to your nuts. These are going to be 10 millimeters. All right, after removing all your fasteners, your screw, your control panel, and that panel that was on the back side of your mirror where the 10 millimeter nuts are, you're going to go ahead and you're going to make sure that the door's locked so you can get it up and over your locking mechanism. And then you're going to lift the door up. Make sure you slide it over your door handle. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and follow this wire all the way down right here. And then it should have like a clip. All right, so the clip is right here. You're just going to push that in when you're pulling it out. All right. All right, we're going to go ahead and take these nuts off of here, the 10 millimeter nuts. All right, now we're going to take the scissors. We're just going to cut this electric tape off. We're going to use that for our new one. Just like that. All right, now that we got all that off, all of our nuts is off at the back of this. It's got one little clip. We're going to have to pry it just a little bit. Maybe I'll get my prying tool. Go. All right. So it's got that metal clip on there, right there. And we're just going to take everything off. Now we're ready for our new ones. All right. So what we're going to do is going to take our cord, stick it through the hole, making sure this foam stays on here because it's going to protect everything. now that I got the wire through, I went ahead and used some zip ties. I didn't put them on very tight, just a little bit. And then down here, you hook it in through here. Keeps it from being too loose. Put it through here, and then I snapped it in. Alright, we're getting ready to put this door on. It's got some hooks. And you're going to want to put them in these slots on all the way around the door. Alright, let's get it put on. Don't make sure your wire is up and over so it doesn't get pinched. We're going to put the door handle in. Make sure that we get the lock up and over. Just like that. Alright. Push it in. Make sure that it's all fastened. Alright. Now it's all locked in. Now we're going to take our fasteners, put them all in there. Alright. Now we're going to take our screw, put it back in. There we go. You don't want it too tight. You don't want to strip it. Put our one cover back over here on this. Just line it up and that's about it for that. Take our control panel that we took off. Plug it back in. Push it down. There we go. Take our other cover that we took off. Put it in. Snap it on. Let's make sure that it works. Oh yeah, there it goes. Let's check this other side. Make sure it works. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah. So I'm going to be giving away these t-shirts to all my subscribers. They're really cool looking. Well, if you want one, write it down in the comments and I'll send you my email and you give me your name, your address, and I'll send you one. It's probably going to take a little while, about 2 months, because I'm an over-the-road truck driver and I'm usually out for like 3 weeks. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next video.